If you want to change apps in Edge panels on your Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra, so first of all swipe to the left or to the right, so open up your Edge panel and locate this pencil icon in it. Open it up and here you can find the list of the applications which are added to your Edge panel. Those are unchangeable, so they will always be there, and this one are changeable. So to delete an application from it, simply tap on the minus icon near it and it's deleted. If you want to add up anything there, for example, you want to add up your camera, simply hold your finger on this application and drag it here. And the same goes with all the other icons. You can add up a big amount of application. I'm not sure if it's infinite, but it's quite a big amount. So when you're done, simply go back and there you are. We have our new applications around here. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day and please consider subscribing to our channel.